We're out here today on a Chevy Camaro 95 Z28 here, and we're going to be changing out the oil pressure sensor. So this is the one that came out the vehicle, and the one they gave us, which was the wrong size, is this one. There it is. Wrong size, right size. I'll show you where it's at underneath the hood. Go ahead, come around here, pop the hood. Now this one has the 5.7 in it, so what you're gonna want to do is come all the way around to the back here, and you'll see it right there. Hold on. Right where you see that plug, right in between there, that's gonna be the oil pressure sensor. You got to snap that bad boy off, and we already got it changed. There it is. You're gonna need your oil pressure sensor socket. You're gonna need you one of these to put off in the back of that motor. With an extension, you'll be able to bust it loose.